I love talking about tools and skills to help us cope with anxiety, stress day to day. One of them that we can do and teach the audience would be something that I call muscle tension relaxation. Um, or progressive, excuse me, let me correct myself, progressive muscle relaxation. But it has to do with relaxing and tensing the muscles. And I tell everybody this is something that you can do while you're standing up, sitting down, lying down. It can be quick and easy. But what we're going to do, I always tell people the first things to do would be to take a few deep breaths. So let's do it together, and whoever's watching us can practice with us. So I tell everybody to close their eyes, take a big deep breath in, and exhale. Uh, Let's do one more big deep breath in and exhale. And then what we'll do is we'll start, and you can either open your eyes or keep your eyes closed. But I like to start with the eyes. So if they're already closed, this is perfect. I like to say, close and squint your eyes. We're going to do all of these for about 5 seconds. And I want you to feel the tension as you're closing your eyes really tightly for 5 seconds. And then you're going to open them. The next part we're going to do would be our neck. We're going to hold our necks back as far as we can till we feel a little discomfort. And you got to stretch your neck all the way back, placing your head kind of against your shoulders for the count of 5. But I really want you to feel the tension in your neck while you're doing that. And then you release. Then what we're going to do is we're going to shrug our shoulders. And I want you to shrug your shoulders really tight till again, you feel an uncomfortable feeling, a little discomfort, maybe even slight pain or tension. We're going to hold that for 5 seconds and release. Next, we'll do our hands. I want you to make a fist really tight and clench your fist really tight. 5 seconds. You can do this as long as you'd like. 5, 10 seconds. We'll just do it quick and release. As you're releasing each one, I want you to have a deep breath, right? So after that release, so again, the concept here, I'm making it really fast. We would take time in therapy. You start with the top of your head and you move down your body. The next thing I would do is have you kind of hold your elbows in, followed by squeezing your stomach in really tight, again for about 5, 10 seconds, and then release and deep breath. And we take it all the way down to the toes, where we would kind of curl our toes again till we're feeling a little tension in the feet and the toes. 5, 10 seconds, release. And the concept here is to be able to show our bodies really what tension looks like, and then having that sigh of relaxation. And we're teaching the body a body-mind connection through this process. So again, really fast in this situation, but we can take our times and go through this and use each body part to help teach us. It's really interesting stuff.